After each pumping session, it's important to clean any parts that come into contact with your milk. As soon as you're done pumping, rinse off the remaining milk by holding each part under the faucet. Then, place each piece into a basin filled with hot, soapy water, or, if you prefer, straight into your dishwasher. Just make sure to put the gaskets in a protective basket. Be careful not to put any of the parts in your sink's basin, since that exposes them to its surface. Let's start with your soft touch breast cup assembly. First, pull out the bottle seal rings, called gaskets. Then, using the supplied cleaning brush, swab both the air intake and milk output channels. There's no need to take anything else apart. Now, rinse each part under hot water and put it on a clean, unused dish towel or a paper towel in an area protected from dirt and dust. And that's all there is to it. Questions? We're here for you.